Hello. We shall now here look at the process of minimizing the cost of goods sold using elegant JBI. So I go on to the first slide. This has been presented by Apurv Chaturvedi from MNN Business Intelligence. This is the complete flowchart for the minimizing. So we'll analyze the gross profit by category for the last fiscal year. Find the category A items with the low gross profit, high gross profit, and then other categories B and C. For the category A items with high gross profit, we'll look at the gross margin, percentage sales, and transaction distribution. We'll look at trend and seasonality, then look at forecasting the sales, and we'll also look at location by location sales. And for category A items with low gross profit, we will set up the benchmark for percentage sales transaction distribution, look at markdown pricing, supplier analytics. The same process will be repeated for category B and C items. So with this, we go on to the tool, and first of all is that we would ask you to look at this particular graph. This is a percentage distribution of gross profit by categories. All our valuations have been done using perpetual FIFO. So now this is a thermometer graph, and we have kept a benchmark of 22%. So above 22% is what we would actually be looking at. So real estate consumables and industrial consumables, they account for approximately 61% of our gross profit. Then we look at the gross profit by item group. In this, what we have done is we have taken the category of industrial consumables, which was actually coming out to account for 31% of gross profit, and analyzed what has been the gross profit of A, B, and C in each one of them. And we have kept a cutoff mark of 9% for each of these categories, because below this is actually a loss-making attribute. Between 9 and 24% actually is sort of an acceptable. Above 24% is the green zone, which is the pink, and that means the product is doing very well. So as you can see, in all the three cases, in all the three categories, the company is making a good gross profit. Then I look at the next the gross profit by item. So in this, what we have done is we have looked at industrial and real estate group. Again, the inventory valuation has been done using perpetual FIFO, and we have looked at the category A items in both these category groups. And here we see the gross profit percentage for both these items is actually on the green side. It's about 41%. So both these items are doing very well. Next, then we will look at the seasonality for 165 by 65. So I go and plot on this. So as you can see, in the month of October, November, and December, till in the last quarter, is actually where the majority of the sale is taking place, close to 35 to 40%. So this is a small overview of what we have done. So we have looked at it by gross profitability. Next would be cost of goods sold, percentage sales, and sales transactions. And that will basically build up a short story for them. Thank you.